open a door into sort of the next ring in the experience of the divine and the holy gathering. It's a quieter space. In the center of it, we'll have a ritual where we get to use the tables, the remembrance tables. But so that we don't interrupt that moment with a phone call, I'm asking you to turn your phones off now. As we're moving into that ritual space, we'll sing a very old Celtic tune. The original is called O Wheelie Wheelie, but we just sing, My Heart is Filled with Love for You, when we get there. But to open us to that space, we'll begin with a reading from one of our community members. This is Desi Bailey. Please join us.
A Prayer for Ancestors Throughout the Generations by Venerable Master Hsing. O great compassionate Buddha, we would like to express to you our gratitude to our relatives and ask blessings for them throughout the generations. We attribute our ability to live and work in peace and contentment now to the diligence and efforts of our relatives throughout the generations. They left abundant fortunes for us so that we can live a civilized life. They established fine lives for us so that we can enjoy a life of convenience. For the happiness of future generations, some toiled as pioneers to cultivate the land, and some fought bloody battles to resist foreign aggression. For the future of their descendants, some migrated overseas to toil and strive, and some devoted all their efforts to create and invent. Although our ancestors are gone, their example remains before our eyes. We are willing to take as a model our ancestors' virtue of benefiting others. We are willing to learn from our ancestors' example of solidarity. We are willing to inherit our ancestors' model of determination. We are willing to accept our ancestors' teachings and admonitions. We are willing to purify our intentions and become models for future generations. We are willing to contribute our strength and serve the masses. We are willing to benefit all human beings and not waste this life. O great compassionate Buddha, please accept our sincerest prayer.